Hello everybody, welcome back to Far Cry 3 Blood Dragon. I got pimples and my save was corrupt, so I started all the way over from the beginning. And here we fucking are. Go under the cave.
What's up with all the blue goo?
It's pee. Oh, nope, it's humans. Okay. Uh-oh. Hey, wait, hey, put him down! Oh, shit! He's a chicken nugget. Way to go, mate. Oh. Okay.
Dr. Darling mentioned they possess poor eyesight. Crouching may be advisable.
Maybe.
The creature is emitting bioradiation.
That music is loud as hell. I'm gonna assume that they can't see me if they're green. Oh, shit. Like that! Like that!
You do not crouch.
I'm out. I'm fucking leaving.
God damn it.
Oh shit! Ow!
Objective. Move to the designated vantage point. I recommend collecting more cyber hearts.
Ow! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Hey! Hey! Ow! I can't heal. I don't have anything. Son of a bitch. Where am I going? Right there. Have fun with that, dragons. I'm gonna run away.
Omega 4 soldiers just arrived. I'm not supposed to be here.
Okay. What the hell is happening?
Then get out.
Not if you
Oh
want
shit, dragons!
Collecting weapons in the bunker that you can use.
Okay. I'm doing things. I'm Dewey Decimal System. Shh. Shh. Be quiet.
Squishy.
That's my guinea pig's name. If I wanted to throw that, I would just
Go, go.
go, dragons. Oh fuck! Throw the thing. What? What the fuck? What? What did I do? Oh shit, I did something. Are you gonna kill it? Damn!
Shit.
Whoa! Whoa!
Omega 4 soldiers just arrived. I'm not supposed to be here. Oh no. They're rounding up the scientists.
Then get out.
Not if you want a shot at Sloan. You need to secure the garrisons for supplies.
Okay,
Detecting weapons in the bunker that you can use.
okay. Can I get past the thing? Dragon, be nice to uh-oh. Dragon! Fucking shit!
Weapons will hear you if you do not crouch. Objective. Use cyborg vision to tag hostiles in the base from the overlook.
Watch me. Whoa, who's that guy?
Objective. You have several options in securing garrisons. You can kill all hostiles yourself, you can lure the dragons to the main gates, or you can bring down the mega shields. This will attract nearby dragons to the garrison automatically.
Let's bring down the mega
Or perhaps
shields.
you can.
For fuck's sake, shut up, HUD. I do what I want.
Understood.
Oh.
Just keep in mind that there are two ways to turn off the mega shields, through either the console or directly at the generator, which you can also destroy.
Blah, blah, blah.
Okay.
Blah, blah, blah.
Let's go to whichever one looks closer. Lay down. Just stop crying. No, don't do that. Done with this shit. Oh, who's the best sneaker ever? I'm not really a shoe, but puns. Very intended.
So, Open the laser shield thingy so those dragons can come in. Yeah, sounds like a plan.
How? Uh-oh. Go in here? Okay. Up. Hey. Steal credits. I can use these at Chuck E. Cheese. Interesting. C400. It's right there. Uh-oh. No, 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 no. Ah. No. Perfect.
Garrison mega shields deactivated. Garrison mega shields deactivated.
Bang! What the fuck? Oh, you gotta pull it back? Bang!
I gave him the shaft.
Yeah. Shh, dragon. Shh. I need that. Hey. Hey. Oh. Oh shit. Let's go to this alarm thing here. I never deactivated one of these. In there. Whoa. Whoa. Hold E to disable alarm. Nice. Okay. That dragon's not doing too hot. Can we go up there? I think we can. No. Shit. Oh. Ladder, ladder, you're my friend. Okay, fuck. Got him.
I think he got the point.
Oh!
You can use cyber.
I was just over here. Interacting.
Objective complete.
Are you okay?
Yes, thank you.
What are those things?
We're not sure. Perhaps a living fossil from the early Cretaceous period. We call them blood dragons. BDs for short. When Sloan drank their blood, it supercharged his cybernetics.
He drank their blood? Is that a joke?
No, Sergeant. If it is a joke, I'm afraid it's a bad one. The blood supercharged Sloan, making him even more powerful.
One ugly motherfucker. Why are you helping Sloan? And what does he want with that rocket?
Team Rocket!
Sergeant, slow down, please. We were using the rockets to test biochemical payloads of the dragon's blood.
Rockets? As in more red spears? How many?
I don't know. A lot. I don't think Sloan is interested in tests anymore. And I don't even want to get into what it does to normal people.
That's why you went AWOL?
Sergeant, Sloan wasn't entirely there to begin with. Now he has the rockets, and God knows what he's planning.
What's with the needle, Doc?
Listen, this will make you more like Sloan. Powerful, but without the side effects.
No, Doc. No way. I swore an oath to a special lady.
Yeah.
Your wife?
My mom.
No. Lady Liberty. She taught me that winners don't use drugs.
Sloan runs 3 top secret facilities, each critical to his operations. I'm sending you their coordinates. Contact me when you reach them, and I'll give you all the intel you need.
You got yourself a deal, Doc.
Dat walk
How
though.
about you? Are you safe here?
Just as long as Sloan doesn't realize I'm helping you. Good luck.
Whoa. She had an eyeball. Okay. So, now everybody's tagged. How this is gonna go down is like that, and then like that, and then like some of that,
Send the hostage before he is shot to pieces.
some of that. Okay. Get your, shit out. Next is you. Got your head knocked. Did he die? You're fucking good, man. Hey! Did I save you?
You saved me!
Yeah! I'm the shit. The shortest distance between two Freddy's is a straight line. Oh, God! I can't drive all that well, people. Help me out! Oh, fuck. That's a dragon. Oh, these cars are realistic. Uh-oh. Ah! Am I getting close? I don't know. Can't really see much because it's always nighttime here. Ow! Go, go, go! Oh, this is it. Okay, we're out. Just a little, you know, nonchalant. That's not even close. Let's get a new car. An hour and a half later, we resume our quest for whatever I've forgotten I'm doing. Oh God, I'm driving a car! Oh my God, I totally forgot what was happening.
Okay, I'm sending you the coordinates to enough C4000 to crack that dam.
Yeah, oh, it's C4000? I thought it was C400.
Reactor's coolant system.
Objective. Retrieve C4000.
Okay. Where? Oh. I know things. This is probably an elevator, is it not? Better be, damn it. No. Okay. Huh. Should I have taken the car? We'll probably find another one, though. Anybody in here? Oh, alarm system. Where is it? Found it. Hey, is this a zipline? Fuck yeah! Woo! I'm off. Made it safely. Oh. Hey, another one! I did it! Uh-oh, this isn't the right place to go. Okay. This does not look shady at all. Hello? Oh, dude, refill ammo. Nice. Take C4000. Got him. Woo! MLG. Headshot. Bitch. Ow! Okay, Q. Oh! I'm alive. Dog. That's not good. That's not good. Okay. Fuck! I died. Oh no, I didn't. Now I'm dead. Best way ever to die with Wiggles. He'll teach you all the things you don't. Stupid dog. Stupid person. Stupid person. Stupid person. Stupid head shaking. Stupid. Dead. Heal. Oh God! Explosions. This is so shitty. Ow! Dog. Why am I in this? What am I doing? Fuck. Ah!
Peekaboo, I killed you.
Oh, shit. Ha! Bastard.
Dead weight anyway.
Okay, I think we're okay. Oh shit, no we're not. C4000, how do I do that? One, hold it. Let's C400, don't even lie to me. Okay. Did he do it? I don't think so. Nah.
For use.
Okay, I know our escape. I said I hate when people do that. It's not escape, you morons. You morons. It's escape. I just did it wrong, and I feel like. And moron. No, wait, don't use the zipline.
Detecting heavy flamer units and a conveniently exposed fuel tank.
Okay. 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 Huh. Bitch! Did that do it? Oh shit, no it didn't. Ow!
Guess I blew my load.
Ah! You suck. Oh, okay, it is different. Bang! Huh?
It's not. Doc, it's a no-go on the explosives.
Didn't know I'd do that.
One of the
Fuck.
engineers working in the dam.
There were civilians in there. But I
know just the man to help you sabotage the dam. Here, locate him through his personal tracking device.
Objective: rendezvous with engineer inside nearby Dragon's attack.
Bang! Bang! Fucking car! Ow. That wasn't the best thing in the world. Dad! I got my objective back too. I'm bringing objective back, baby. Okay. What's this? Money! Ha! I thought we were gonna jump in the air. We didn't. I did it.
Objective complete.
Hello!
Sergeant Rex Colt? Dr. Darling said you're some kind of hero.
I am.
no hero. I'm just your everyday U.S. military Mark IV cyber commando.
Alrighty. We need to clear your path to the reactor so I can turn the power down. I'm no cyber soldier.
Yeah, you're a nerd! Oh, I didn't actually mean to shoot him.
Objective: protect the engineer.
Okay, let me, Stop it, man! We're trying not to get caught. Shh! Nobody saw that. Oh shit, am I carrying him? Nice! We can do takedowns from pretty far away. Yeah. Okay. Takedown! I didn't quite do that well. I did it. I'm the best.
You killed a lot of my soldiers, Rex.
Woo!
What
That was
happened
intense,
to
man.
the men under your command, Sloan?
I learned that during the war. We didn't have what it took to win.
We
I have what it takes to win.
toxic wasteland.
You think I can't win, Super Soldier? Ah, 360. Oh, I'm dealing too fast.
I promise you that.
Oh, fuck.
I'll wait here while you do your thing.
Yeah, shut up. Busy.
Attention cleanup on sub-level 3.
Coming in hot. This reminds me a lot of Thief. Oh, fuck. Whoa, what? Basic repair, what is this? Shut up! Don't explode! We did it. Okay, this is not good. Death? Okay, the action scenes happening! Oh damn, that's a lot of people. There's a ton of people. Takedowns! Takedowns, perform now! Go, Freddy, go! Ow! Run! 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 Scientist, wait, stay safe. Stay away. 2. Don't run, you moron! Okay, I think I win. Fire! Heal me. Oh! Okay. Give me all my money.
Then it's lights out for Sloan.
Okay.
Said that one already.
Lights out forever.
Okay, we are almost there, Sergeant.
Static.
Heavy electromagnetic.
Oh no! What happens if I kill him? Hey, that's a swim.
They locked me out! You need to override the shield's emergency bypass underwater. Remember,
Yeah.
there are cyber sharks down there.
Oh fuck.
Deactive underwater shut. Switches to be pretty. Oh, so pretty and witty. And open the safeties.
Okay. Go, Freddy, go. Okay. Holy. We got it.
Next one. For a kiss, sent. In the name of love.
I can't. This is. Okay.
Objective complete. Rejoin the engineer and hold hands. And frolic.
I love it. All glitching out.
You did it!
I did it. I'm the best. I fought all the sharks.
System and expose that reactor core.
Okay. What's a reactor core?
Parking in the brown zone.
No parking in the. Okay. You know
I'm
what?
opening the reactor shields. Don't let them kill me, okay?
Who? What? Hey. That thing. Uh-oh. Fuck. What? What is he doing? What the hell's he doing? What? Oh shit, they're on a boat. Not like the song. Fucker. Okay, where's the boat? Boats aren't that tough. Did it. Are you okay? God damn it, dude. Hey, I don't need to. Uh-oh.
Gotta face me, you rusty cum buckets.
Oh god. How did that not work? Uh-oh, that's a mean guy. Is he dying? I feel like I can win it. I feel like I won. Suck it. Why did I do that? Don't do that. I shouldn't have done that. Son of a bitch. I want this guy. Okay, I feel like there's another boat. Bang bang! That thing's gonna blow up. We need this. Anybody in here? You're safe, dude.
Sergeant Colt, you missed a couple of cyber soldiers.
Who? Ah, fuck. Ow, ow, ow. I thought I hit the 2 button. God damn it. Ow! Don't do that, sir. 2. I said 2. That guy's so dead. Okay.
You did it, Sergeant, but it's not overloading.
Oh, fuck me.
Punch the reactor.
Objective.
Punch?
Launch the nuclear reactor.
What the hell? Hold on. Let me steal all these first. Now we can go. I have money. I have money. I punched it. Is it on the other side? Where do I need to go to punch this thing? Hold E to punch the reactor. Yeah, fuck it.
Benji, go! Doc, I made it. But Benji didn't.
Oh.
Sorry, Rex. He was a good man.
No, Doc. He was a real American hero.
Well, I guess that's it for that mission. I'm gonna end it there. Like, comment, share, subscribe, but peace.